If you need to erase all data or fix performance issues on your OnePlus phone, this video shows 4 effective ways to wipe it, using both built-in and third-party tools. Part 1. Completely wipe a OnePlus phone via factory reset. On your OnePlus, go to Settings System and Update or Additional Settings, Backup, and Reset Phone. Enter your lock screen password if needed. Then tap Erase All Data to fully wipe the device and restore factory settings. Part 2. Clear all data from OnePlus phone via recovery mode. Power off your OnePlus. Hold volume down plus power until the recovery screen appears. Select your language, then choose Wipe Data and Cache Erase Everything. Confirm when prompted. Part 3. Completely wipe OnePlus using iShredder Data Erasure. Install iShredder, grant permissions, select files, choose a wipe method, and erase. Use wipe free space, remove accounts, ensure encryption, and factory reset if needed. Part 4. Wipe a OnePlus phone via MobiKin Erasure for Android not recoverable. Professional-grade erasure is possible with MobiKin Erasure for Android, Windows, Mac, which is designed to completely wipe all data from a OnePlus phone. User Manual. Open the software and connect your Android via USB. Click Erase, choose a security level, type Delete to confirm, and start. Wait for it to finish, then factory reset if needed.